Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to see each time I upload a video. So you guys, before I get and jump into everything we're about to do, I just want to say thank you guys for 200 subscribers. We definitely hit another milestone and I am super excited about that. So we just gotta keep going so we can reach these goals. So today we're just going to be doing a nice little get ready with me. Like today I was like really in a good headspace. I've been in a funk like the last month and a half. So I did like a self-care day, and then I decided to do like my makeup and my hair because of course we feel awesome when we're like done up. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of talking in this video. It's pretty much just going to be like a vibe video. We're just going to be doing hair and makeup. So of course, as you know, I'm doing a sleek bun and just kind of like a soft glam. So all I used was the extreme wetline gel on my hair, as well as the Got To Be Glue spray. And literally, y'all, that's all I use besides like my leave-in conditioner to achieve my sleek bun. I always try to do my sleek bun on wet hair because it's just easier. I just do not see myself doing a bun, let alone a sleek bun, on dry hair. My hair is way too thick for that and I ain't got time for that. Okay, so we're doing that, and then I'm just gonna be doing my makeup. Like this particular day I was in a really good mood. I did an actual self-care day and I put that on my TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, definitely follow me on TikTok. But it was just like a really good mental health day for me. So I like, let's just go all out, let's do hair and makeup. And I was vibing to some music. It was just really nice. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, if you have not subscribed, definitely subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next one.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play.